construction and the industrial sectors tend to lag behind other sectors in terms of capitalizing on technological advances. Perhaps there is a reticence to onboard new tools and technologies, well, for a myriad of reasons, really. Capacity, human reasons, upfront investment and cost associated to it. But when thinking about master data management in other sectors, for example, healthcare, are there any lessons that can be learned that can be translated over to industrial construction? And if so, how do you see the tech evolving in the industrial sector?
Okay, so I believe that the construction sector appears to be significantly lagging in the effective utilization of data and standardization. Industries such as the healthcare and finance have successfully adopted standardized frameworks to facilitate seamless data exchange and interoperability. An example would be the fast healthcare interoperability resources. And this is to ensure standardized data and sharing across hospitals, departments, and laboratories. Similarly, the financial sector, including banks, maintains a unified and shared customer database to streamline processes related to loans and credit scores. I do believe that there's definitely movement within the construction sector to start to bridge those gaps. To modernize and enhance efficiency in the construction sector, there's the adoption of frameworks such as CFOS, like we talked about before. And by establishing a unified approach to data structures and management, operators, EPCs, and software vendors can align their practices, reducing the need for stakeholders to constantly adjust processes or systems to meet owner-operator requirements. Implementing these kind of standards will only enhance collaboration and interoperability between these companies and reduce costs and improve overall project outcomes. So an example, we may have a major owner-operator that has a greenfield or a brownfield project, and they may have a set of standard data classes that they want to use. When they approach for tendering or to the EPCs for this tendering, a lot of the times some of these EPCs may have their own standards, which they may need to switch to suit the owner operator. All of these things take time and obviously cost money, but having this CFOS framework and having a standardized set of data structures, which is shared between EPCs and clients, whenever we come to do these tendering or even the greenfield or the brownfield projects, everyone's aligned, if you know what I mean.
Yes, I think one of the other things that this accomplishes is that we would no longer be looking on a project by project basis in terms of information and data, but perhaps on an asset basis. So, data collected for a particular project can carry through the system and translate and be used effectively for future projects or even on a portfolio basis, so that if all of the data is standardized, it doesn't just realize efficiencies in a given project, but that scalable potential to really looking at this sort of asset at large over its life cycle, or even a company's, operating portfolio at large over a period of time. It really opens up an enormous amount of potential therein.